Can you show me your hard trick?
That's a hard trick. When you wanna push it and you like that.
I see, just like a gymnast. Can you do some more twirls and spinning, splits? Let's see, Mackenzie. Ooh, beautiful.
Dad didn't do like that. Like that too.
That's what they did? Just like Ashley.
Dance is over now.
Oh.
Dance is over.
Your dance is all over. Okay. Did you have fun watching Ashley today?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was special, huh?
But Ashley and Tammy and Papa don't be here. And I'm going to play with them.
Okay.
This Miss not going to come.
Why can't Mitch come?
Cause
Okay. 'Cause what?
because he can't see how he.
He's not allowed to see your gymnastics?
No.
Well, I'm glad you talked to him now and you're nice. You're a good gymnast, just like Ashley.
Yeah.
Okay, what are you doing in the high chair? You're not a baby.
Aw.
You're a big girl. You're going to be a gymnast? Are you going to do gymnastics like Ashley?
This.